Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today I'm going to show you how to start off a sock knitting. Let's get started. I have my sock yarn and I have my size 1 needle. I love knitting socks because my feet are very narrow, and when I knit socks I actually get to customize them for my foot. This is starting with the cuff down. If you're new to sock knitting, there are two ways of doing it. You can start with the toe and work your way up to the cuff, or you can start with the cuff and work your way down to the toe. This cast on starts off with 56 stitches. So what I tend to do, I start off with a lot of yarn. Then I think I could get 56 stitches. When you cast on, you want to make sure you do it lightly, or actually you don't want to cast on tightly. So I make a loop. I let one side dangle behind. I take my needle and I go in to lift that yarn through. Then I pull the yarn gently, and that's my first stitch. I put my index finger and my thumb underneath. I'm separating the yarn, and I'm going to work in a back and forth motion. So my needle goes under my thumb, lift up the yarn, go over under the finger, lift up that yarn, pull it through gently. Once again, under, over, pull, under, over, pull. Since I'm making the cuff, I need 56 of these stitches. Under, over, pull, under, over, pull. Just like that. And as I go through, and once I get more confident, I can get a rhythm going. The only part that will challenge you would be actually setting aside enough yarn to get your 56 stitches, or however many stitches you need. But anyway, there it is. That's the beginning. And when I'm done, I will begin my cuff. I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below, and I will show you a little bit more of what I do when it comes to knitting socks. I hope this was helpful. Until next time.